Don't. Your answers will be answered. Your request will be answered. Just be patient.
I trust my God because I'm here because of God. I thank you for everyone, Olapa. Enkosi RAMZA kakhulu. It's only
Thank
me
you,
guys
RAMZA.
who
Thank
got
you.
lame.
Thank you.
But the thing is, Gengogu, anayi grosala maphela kekho lempuku. Only speaking, guys. Enkosi RAMZA ngolipha indlu.
Thank you, President.
Nge-age yami ayivumeli uba ndihlale endlini. But ngoku into endicelayo just igrosari nje.
I'm just asking for the groceries. Just the groceries now. I'm just asking for groceries.
Because awekho amaphela, azikho impuku, azikho butterfly because there's no food in the cupboard.
There's no food in my cupboard.
Depende kwi-grant, insurance yam, toiletry bag,
The grant is just for my installments.
Groceries.
Yeah.
Ngiyahasla nje.
I'm hustling.
Uthixo woxolo wozuko wothando anginike intsikelelo moya.
God
Siyakuthanda.
bless you.
Abanye bazawuthetha negative, abanye
Others will
bazawuthetha
speak negative
positive.
about you,
But when
but we are
athatha
speaking
le negative, not everybody is gonna love you. No, yes, babemkulusha mos eMzantsi emhlabeni kushu. So when nguyesu wethu, so thatha ezi zibhedi ziso ezikusempumelelweni.
Take the bad issues, then they will bring you to the future and bring you high.
Kule ndawo ndikuyo zii-enemies zami ezandizindithuka
I've got enemies that were here for me, but now I'm
because of God
strong.
created me like this. No one created me. So, God disabled, it doesn't mean you're mental disturbed.
If you are disabled, it doesn't mean that you are
Thixo
disabled.
ukukreta ngolu hlobo ululo. But ezi abantu abafitshane okanye izidalwa ngase nathi department na department siqashwe. No
And
matter
I
you
ask
don't
for
have
each and every
education,
department to give us
but
all disabled
I know
people
that
some work.
education is the key, but nathi siyafuna uqashwa.
Not we too, we want also to be employed.
Because
Not only to, don't want only to live with grant.
oil, the 80 rand.
Fish oil is 80 rand.
So, khawusincede RAMZA.
Then help us,
Asincede
President.
Dira.
Help us, President.
But sandicela nje i-voucher ke ye-grocery car. Voucher nje i-voucher nyana. Enkosi guys. Thank you very much.
Thank you, President.